Good morning guys, nandito tayo ngayon sa Austria RM Car Aircon. Nandito sa Naga Road, Las Piñas. Walang lupa. So, dito rin ako lagi nagpapalinis ng aircon. Kalimutan ko na kung kailan yung huli eh. Basta ang alam ko yung may pinalitan dito na maingay eh.
Hindi, ano lang yun, ilagyan lang natin ng langis yung compressor. At medyo mataas na yung bomba ng compressor mo.
Oo.
Kaya dinagdagan natin ng langis. Ayun, main probe, maganda.
Oo.
Tinatanda ko na
yung huli? Kailan kaya yun?
Kaya hindi ko na rin matandaan eh.
May resibo naman ako kaya lang nasa bahay. Kaya hindi ko alam.
Yung nilagyan ng langis eh.
Buti na sagip.
Oo. Maganda kayo.
So yan, kinukuha niya yung preyon. Tapos binubuhusan para hindi mainit. Vacuum. Okay. Ano nga yung ginawa noon na nasagip ito?
Ginawa natin dito, general cleaning, tapos naglagay natin ng langis sa compressor.
Compressor. Pagka hindi nasagip yun, ano yung papalitan? Compressor?
Oo, yung compressor mismo. Hindi lang yung compressor, pati yung dryer.
Dryer. So yun guys, na binabaklas na yung evaporator. At saka yung fan doon sa likod. Sa bayan na nilang binabaklas para linisin. Yan. Sobra na ang dumi.
Oo, kapal na. Taas pa yan ah.
You wake up in the morning and you get up out of bed. Drink a cup of whatever it is, get the cobwebs out your head. Thank the Lord that the day is yours, 'cause life is heaven sent. Gonna try to make it better, even if it's only by 1%.
Kinakabit na ulit yung mga nalinis. Then after nyan, karga ng preyon. Okay na. So, leak test. Yang karga na yan.
Vacuum tapos karga.
Okay. Vacuum muna.
Every kind of people, you got to show them all some respect. 'Cause ain't no telling who might be the one who's gonna help you next. When the hustling's done, baby, even the sun lies down and says amen. And hey, hey, hey,
yun, trio na.
Start ako. Diyan, may nag-
Start na, Mel.
May bago kami kasama ngayon. So, apprentice. Hindi kasama to eh.
Si Bossing.
You wake up in the morning and you get up out of bed. Drink up or whatever it is, get the cobwebs out your head. Thank the Lord that the day is yours, 'cause life is heaven sent. Gonna try to make it better, even if it's only by 1%. I'm saying, you head down to the city, time to get that hustle on. Make the most of every opportunity before it's gone. Try to show up in the world with all the courage that you can find. Open the doors and get what's yours and leave the rest of it all behind.
Okay na. So ayun guys, no? Tapos nang linisin yung aircon natin at sigurado kondisyon na naman. Tama-tama para sa lakad namin bukas, matitest natin yung kung talagang malamig. Alright, hanggang dito na lang guys. Maraming salamat. God bless us all.
Every kind
Bye-bye.
of people, you got to show 'em.